You can take the princess if you tell me 3 things you will be doing tomorrow at noon in good English.
We will eat. We will drink. We will dance.
That is not what you will be doing, but what you will do. Watch this video to learn to use sentences like I will be eating at 12 o'clock.
I will learn English the whole day tomorrow. How do I say that I'll be in the middle of learning at noon and at 4 o'clock? Can you help me to learn how to say it correctly? You are the best teacher. I will be learning English at noon tomorrow. I will be learning at 4 o'clock. And by the end of the year, I will be speaking very well.
You will be watching this video for the next 10 minutes. Enjoy.
English is easy. Future continuous. I am cooking now. I will be cooking at 11 o'clock.
You are reading now. You will be reading at 11 o'clock.
She is eating now. She will be eating in 10 minutes.
He is driving now. He will be driving in half an hour.
We are dancing now. We will be dancing in an hour.
You are baking now. You will be baking at 11 o'clock.
They are swimming now. They will be swimming at 11.
We are cooking. We will still be cooking in half an hour.
I will be cooking meat in 10 minutes. What will you be doing?
I will be cooking soup. We will both be cooking.
English is easy. Questions and negatives.
Will I be dancing at 11 o'clock? I won't be dancing at 11 o'clock.
Will you be dancing at 11 o'clock? You won't be dancing at 11 o'clock.
Will she be dancing at 11 o'clock? She won't be dancing at 11 o'clock.
Will he be dancing at 11 o'clock? He won't be dancing at 11 o'clock.
Will we be dancing at 11? No, we won't.
Will you be dancing at 11? No, you won't.
Will they be dancing at 11? No, they won't.
Will I be dancing in 10 minutes? No, I won't. I am too tired.
What will she be doing at 8 o'clock?
What will you be doing at 8 o'clock?
I will be listening to music, but I won't be reading.
She won't be sleeping tonight. I will be singing cat songs to my girlfriend.
What will the driver be doing at 3 o'clock?
What will you be doing at 3 o'clock?
I will be at home. I will be doing housework.
You hope you will be doing housework. I have other plans for you.
What will they be doing in an hour?
What will you be doing in an hour?
We will not be eating. We will be watching TV.
I will probably be sleeping.
I don't have any plans. I don't know what I will be doing in an hour.
Will the painter be painting at this time tomorrow?
Will you be painting at this time tomorrow?
No, I won't.
She doesn't know it yet, but she will be repainting the walls of her flat.
Will the housewife be doing housework in the afternoon?
Will you be doing housework in the afternoon?
Yes, I will be cleaning the bathroom.
I will be knocking things off the table just for fun.
What will the suspect be doing this evening?
What will you be doing this evening at around 10?
I am not going to tell you what I will be doing. It is none of your business.
She will be doing what she will be doing.
What will the farmers be doing at 3 o'clock?
What will you be doing at 3 o'clock?
I will be feeding the animals.
I will be picking apples.
I will be chasing the neighbor's cat.
What will the pilot be doing in 30 minutes?
What will you be doing in 30 minutes?
I will be having dinner with my friends.
He is lying. He will be dining with his girlfriend, not with his friends.
Darling, I will be waiting for you.
What will the biker be doing in 2 hours?
What will you be doing in 2 hours?
I will still be riding my bike. I will be riding around the mountain.
I will be guarding the house.
I will be following him from above.
What will the opera singer be doing in an hour?
What will you be singing this evening?
We will be singing my favorite opera in an hour.
I will be listening to you from the first row.
What will the climber be doing in 10 minutes?
Will you still be climbing in 10 minutes?
No, I won't. I am very tired. I will be having a massage.
I will be climbing up the wall. I will be climbing faster than him.
Will the teacher still be teaching in 2 hours?
Will you still be teaching in 2 hours?
Yes, I will. I will be teaching another class.
I hope he will be teaching about cats.
Will the car salesman still be selling cars in 10 years?
Will you be selling cars in 10 years?
Of course. I will be selling cars until I retire. I love this job.
I will be standing here until he sells me.
What will the writer be doing at midnight?
What will you be doing at midnight?
I will be writing. I will be finishing this book.
I will be walking on rooftops and stargazing with my girlfriend all night.
Will the drummer be playing in an hour?
I will be sleeping in a lunatic asylum in 2 weeks.
We surely will be.
I will be drumming for another 2 hours.
What will the builder be doing at 6 o'clock?
What will you be doing at 6?
I will still be building this house.
This time tomorrow, she will be building a treehouse for me.
What will the cook be doing in an hour?
Will you still be cooking in an hour?
No, I won't. I will be baking cookies.
I will be looking at the fish in the aquarium.
Will the shop assistant be working in an hour?
Will you still be working in an hour?
Yes, I will. I will be closing the shop in 2 hours.
It will be raining. We will get wet. I hate rain.
Will the runner still be running in an hour?
I will be running and running and running.
I will be running after a squirrel.
What will these people be doing in 10 minutes? Play a pirate.
She will be playing a pirate.
Eat.
She will be eating.
Dance.
He will be dancing.
Fight a dragon.
He will be fighting a dragon.
Cook.
She will be cooking.
Build a sandcastle.
She will be building a sandcastle.
Do yoga.
He will be doing yoga.
Pray.
She will be praying.
Take photos.
He will be taking photos.
Walk.
She will be walking.
Stand and smile.
She will be standing and smiling.
Play basketball.
He will be playing basketball.
I am back for the princess. We will be dancing all day tomorrow. We will be eating. We will be drinking.
You can take the princess if you promise that you will be learning more English with my next video. Keep learning.
Do you want to dance?
Watch the next video. You will be learning more in 2 minutes. You will be enjoying yourself. Happy learning.